Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. Welcome to another project playback. Today I have the Diagonal Easel Card for you. I remade this using the Driving By stamp set and Sunshine and Rainbow designer paper, which are both two free Sale-a-Bration gifts that you can get with a qualifying order in my online store. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card, but I'm using old materials to do it. I hope that you'll use whatever supplies you have at home to create the Diagonal Easel Card. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos, and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying Project Playback. I made this Dove of Hope card a couple months ago, and I can't believe I haven't shared it yet. This card is so fun and easy, and it is perfect to display. So I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then I have some other samples to share with you using the same fun fold. So let's go ahead and jump right in. You're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. So you can get 2 cards from one sheet of cardstock, and we're going to start by scoring at 4 1/4. So this is going to make a 4 1/4 square card. And then we're going to score the diagonal, and we're going to do that from the bottom fold to the top corner. So we're going to do that in the paper cutter, lining up the track right here with our points. So top corner, bottom fold, and score diagonally. So those are the 2 score lines that you need to create the Diagonal Easel Card. All right, I've got the pieces pre-cut, so let's grab those out. For the front of the card, you're going to use a diagonal half piece of a 4 by 4 inch piece of designer paper. I'm using the World of Good designer paper from the annual catalog. I really loved the globes on this paper, and I thought that it would go well with the message of peace on earth. So I'm going to put that in. I'm hugging the center fold, so I have an even border on the top and the bottom. This is going to be the card front, and then you're just going to give that a nice good crease on the fold. For the inside, I have a piece of designer paper, also from the same set, the World of Good. This is 1 inch by 4 inch. Well, actually, I think it's 3/4 inch by 4 inch, or 4 1/4. So it's just a little bit less than an inch. And then just a little 1/4 inch by 4 1/4 gold foil to bring out the foil in the designer paper. Now, the thing that makes the easel card stay up is your element that's on Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm using this little tag punch and a stamped Peace on Earth. So now this is going to be what catches the front of the card to keep it open. For the front, I just have a simple stitched circle with a die cut dove and the words peace, love, joy. Now, when you stick this on the card, because it's going to kind of come out, only half of it should stick to the front of it. So you want to either use Stampin' Dimensionals or adhesive only on half the circle. And actually, it might be easier to just put the adhesive right on the corner so that you don't accidentally get adhesive where you don't want it. I'm going to center that. And now when it opens up, it displays perfectly and doesn't adhere itself shut. All right, so here's one version that I made with the Dove of Hope stamp set. This is retiring from the August through December mini catalog. So if you don't have this yet and you want to get it, you have just another 2 weeks or so until the catalog ends. Here's another version of this card using the same stamp set. So this paper is the Brightly Gleaming paper, also from the August through December mini catalog. I added a stamped border back here. This is part of my Dove of Hope card kit for Stamp of the Month Club. I think it was back in October. I still have a couple card kits left, so if you're interested in getting this stamp set or bundle and the card kit, then leave me a comment and I'll be in touch with you on how to get that. Here are the other cards. So the card kit includes enough materials pre-cut to make 2 each of the 3 cards, including this Diagonal Easel card. Which one do you like better of the 2 Dove of Hope? Do you like the World designer paper or the Brightly Gleaming designer paper? I like them both, but I'm leaning towards the simple black and white and gold. Actually, black and white and crumb cake and gold. All right, so those are the Dove of Hope. Let me show you some other samples. Here is a Diagonal Easel card using the Wonderful Time product medley, also from the August to December mini catalog. And then I also made one using the dinosaur stamp set from the annual catalog. So this one says, "Thanks for being a friendosaurus." And then it's got another dinosaur on the inside. And then the last sample I have to share with you is using a brand new bundle called Sweet Ice Cream. This is coming out in the January through June mini catalog, and it has designer paper that coordinates and a punch. I love it so much. So you can see, you can use the Diagonal Easel Card. You can make it for any occasion. Switch out the stamp set, switch out the paper and the colors. This is going to be a fun fold that your friends and family are sure to enjoy. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you give this card a chance and make it at home. Okay, that's it for today. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this project Playback. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another project Playback.